As a full time working mom, I spend 2 hours a day to my side hustle to earn extra side income. I can show how you can also do it. Hi, I'm Ishwarya Karthik, originally from South India, Tamil Nadu. I now work and live in UK with my family and two young kids. At one point in time, I felt I was living my life into extremes. On the outside, everything looked stable with a full time IT job, steady income, and all the responsibilities handled. But inside, I felt my life was chaotic. My days were filled with constant planning and rushing between schedules, work calls, appointments, juggling everything and everyone. Then I slowly started to lose myself in between all these commitments and responsibilities. And after working so hard, I felt I was living from paycheck to paycheck. Savings were very minimal. I think in a foreign country, expenses grow fast, but salary growth is painfully slow. And throughout this painful situation, I kept asking myself a constant question: is this really the life I want to live? This question changed everything for me. It led me to have a search in a social media channel, and that's how I found this online business. And though I was initially convinced about the potential and the legitimacy of this business, and the first doubt that came in my mind was my life is already overwhelming with too many happenings, and how will I find time for this one? But I also knew my life will not change if I don't take any impactful action. So I ventured into this business and I realized I didn't have extra time, but I used all my flexible time. Today, I'm building something as a side hustle that generates legitimate taxable income from a business that operates in more than 44 countries globally, the one that has an income potential that can outgrow my mainstream income in your future. As an immigrant working mom, if you're tired of surviving and you are ready to build life on your own terms, just know this change is possible and it can start now. DM me and I will show you the exact steps I took to start this business. Thank you. Bye.